Imagine you're planning to visit a friend who lives far away, in another country. Before you start packing your suitcase and booking your flight, there's something important you need: permission to enter that country. This special permission is called a visa. A visa is an official document, often a stamp or sticker placed in your passport, that shows you have been allowed to enter a country for a specific reason and for a certain amount of time. You might need a visa if you want to go on vacation, attend school, start a new job, pass through on your way to somewhere else, or even move to a new place and live there permanently. There are several types of visas, each with its own purpose. A tourist visa is for when you want to visit and experience new places for fun. A student visa allows you to study at a school or university abroad. A work visa lets you take a job in another country. A transit visa is for simply passing through on your way to another destination. And an immigrant visa is for people hoping to live and settle permanently in a different country. Getting a visa usually involves a few steps. First, you apply and fill out forms. Sometimes you might answer questions or go to an interview. The officials review your application to decide if you should be granted a visa. If your application is approved, you receive a visa in your passport. If it's denied, you'll have to try again another time. When you arrive at your destination, there's still one more hurdle: the border officer. Even with a visa, the officer checks your documents and decides if you're allowed to enter. Just like a party invitation doesn't guarantee you'll get in if you break the rules, a visa gives you permission to try, but you must always follow the rules of that country. Remember, entering another country is a privilege, not a right. And respecting the process helps everyone travel safely and enjoy their adventures abroad.